Hello, I'm Bob Immerkluck, and this is the assembly video for the Gamut 3 ergometer outrigger. I'd like to begin by showing you the tools that you're going to need to assemble the machine. Here we have a tray full of tools, and these are what you need in order to put the machine together. You're going to need a socket wrench with some sockets. The sizes you need are 7/16, half, 9/16, and 3/4. You're going to need some combination wrenches. The sizes are 3/8, 7/16, half, 9/16, and 3/4. You're going to need a Phillips No. 2 screwdriver. You're going to need a standard utility knife. You're going to need a pair of diagonal cutters, one hammer. You're going to need an ordinary very small carpenter's square. An optional tool is a fish scale. When we get to the step, I'll show you how the fish scale is used, and you can make a decision as to whether you need it or not. Okay. When you receive the machine, you're going to receive it in a box. For one or two machines, it'll come packaged in a box like this. If you're ordering 4 or more machines, it'll come on a pallet, and the packaging will be slightly different. Remove the tools here. The box is clearly marked as to which side is up. The first step we're going to take today is to open the box. To open the box, the easiest way to do it is to use a utility knife and simply cut the box open. What you'll see when you open the box is the machine mounted on a wooden platform. The first thing you're going to find is the Gamut 3 assembly instructions. These assembly instructions essentially consist of this video. The easiest way to open the box is simply to cut it open. Once you've cut the box open, it's possible to slide the Gamut 3 out. And we can take the box and dispose of it. When you open the box, you'll find that the parts are either strapped or bolted down. The first thing you need to remove from the box is this small cardboard box, which includes all of the small parts. Now we're ready to go to step 1 of the assembly.